Hello everyone! Today, Reading Scientific Services Limited and I are going to show you how to make your own lava lamp at home. To do this, you will need water, oil, effervescent tablets like the Alka-Seltzer I have here, and some food colouring. To begin, we're going to add equal parts water and oil to a glass or a bottle or another container. We're then going to add a couple of drops of food colouring and stir it to colour the water layer. And finally, we're going to add the effervescent tablet, and this is where the magic starts. The tablet reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas bubbles, which stick to the coloured water droplets. Because the bubbles are less dense than the oil, they rise to the top. And hey presto, you've made a lava lamp! You can even experiment using a variety of different colours.